Yeah, I just have a lot of questions, but I can't ask a lot of them.
I think one question.
You mentioned all the problems in India, in your democracy in India, but you didn't rightly ignored the fact that Kashmir is occupied by India for the last 67 years, and how the human rights violations are happening there. Like recently, the Supreme Court gave the judgment about the Patribal case, and the Congress didn't say anything about it. So you have rightly played a good politician there, and you just mentioned that we are the India is going to be the UN Council seat, and you are an example of bringing peace in the world, which is entirely I can use the word bullshit, because there is no peace in India. If you look at the central India, if you look at Kashmir, and all the time you have been ignoring Kashmir again and again. In October 2013, when there was a Pakistan said that we can have a US intervention, you went out and you gave the statement that we don't need any intervention in an integral part of India, which is entirely if you know the history. I know that you know the history, that what happened in 1947. It was Congress itself. Nehru said that the people of Kashmir will be given plebiscite, and that never happened. So I would really like to know what you have to say about it, which you ignored in your talk.
Well, I'm not sure that.
I'd like to add to what you just said.
No. One question.
With all due respect, my country has been waiting for 67 years to have these questions answered. Kashmir is the world's most militarized zone. Now, can you tell me what's democratic about India placing 700,000 troops in Kashmir? Now, it says it does this because of militancy. Now, can I add here that in Kashmir at the moment they say there's around 100 militants, of which it's unknown how many are actually active. So why is there a need for 700,000 troops because of some
Will
100
you let the
militants?
minister answer now?
And not only that, but there's been
You've heard it.
800,000
You want my answer?
in Kashmir in the last 2 decades. That's more than happened in Chile under the government of Pinochet.
Give you my answer.
10,000 rapes in Kashmir.
No,
I'm
I'll
sure
give
you'll
you.
give me an answer, but I'd like to say what I have to say too. The government of Nehru said that he was going to offer a plebiscite to the people of Kashmir, and since then what has happened? Nothing.
No, but at least hear my answer. At least hear my answer. No? I mean, I know that you're very concerned. You should be. You believe it or not, but all of us are concerned. All of us are concerned. I didn't deliberately bypass Kashmir because I think Kashmir is not important. No, I didn't talk about Nagaland. I don't talk about Mizoram. I didn't talk about.
Why? Because these are failings.
Please.
No, not failings. They may be failings, but I didn't talk about them. Your friend said that you didn't talk about Kashmir. I didn't talk about, because I know that you're not here for the next 3 hours. I can talk for another 3 hours about. See, please understand.
For the past 67 years.
No. I know. I'm not even 67.
No,
No, but I tell you one thing. If you really if you care about Kashmir, I was 4 years old when I was in Kashmir. Okay, I have a sense and a feel for Kashmir. I go there often. There are 2 points of view. I know that you have a point of view, and it's your right to have a point of view. And I should not use any coercion against you because you have a point of view that's different from mine.
But you do. You see,
No, please.
only last week there was
If we wish to continue, young lady, if we wish to continue with this discussion,
now where is the
And some of us,
and
some of us opposed it. Some of us opposed it, and therefore the charges were withdrawn. I
the
think
charges were not dropped because you opposed it. The charges were dropped because people spoke about it. Because
we were the people who spoke.
we will move to the vote.
No. We were the people, but please listen. Listen. There are people here. You believe in democracy.